premium Samsung Galaxy and Note devices today have wireless charging capability, and most of the time, the feature works properly. However, some users may experience wireless charging issues from time to time. If you're one of them and you have no idea how to deal with this problem, this video will show you the solution. Our experience with Android smartphones has shown us that restarting the device may often resolve problems or small hiccups, even after Android has been shut down. Certain faults will not be able to be fixed since the present operating system session is no longer active. This is the most common cause of issues not returning after a device restart. Your phone may have a small OS flaw that is causing your problem. If you haven't already, you should try a soft reset. Even though fast charging is turned on by default, it's possible that you turned it off by accident before you noticed the problem. It's also possible that a bad app did something to it. So it's good to be able to check the fast charging status. To check, open Settings app. Tap Device Maintenance. Tap Battery. Tap Advanced Settings. And toggle on Fast Cable Charging. The Fast Charge feature on your Samsung device is a Samsung-made technology, so it might not work right or at all if the charging accessory you use doesn't meet certain requirements. The best thing to do is to only use the charging cable and adapter that came with your Samsung device. If so, you could try a different Samsung charging cable and adapter for the Samsung device to see if that fixes the problem. There is a big difference in speed between using your device while it is charging and turning off the screen or the whole device. It's possible that your Samsung device can still fast charge, but if you keep using it while it's charging, there may be a lot of apps or services running at the same time that drain the battery so much that the charging rate slows to a trickle. To see if it still charges faster, you could turn off the screen or the phone. Some bugs can only be fixed by changing the way the code is written in the firmware. Even though we don't have a way to figure out why your device's fast charging stopped working, there's no other reason to avoid system updates. Make sure to check for updates manually under Settings, Software Update to see if there's an update for your Samsung that you can use right now. By design, your Samsung device won't charge if the charging port has liquid, water, or moisture in it. We also know that some Samsung devices have had trouble with fast charging in the past when the charging port on their device was wet. If the device has been near water recently, you might want to dry the charging port first. If the software isn't set up right, it could affect the fast charging feature. Follow these steps to reset all settings on your Samsung device and make sure it has the right ones. Open Settings app. Tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap Reset Settings button. Restart your device and check for the problem. Some users were able to fix the problem with their device's fast charging by just resetting the app preferences. This process makes sure that none of the important default apps, services, or system apps are turned off. Some apps or services may stop other apps or services from working, so it's good to be able to set them all back to their original settings. Open Settings app. Tap Apps. Tap More Settings 3-dot icon at the upper right. Tap Reset App Preferences. As the last thing you can do, a factory reset is meant to get rid of any remaining chance that the problem could be caused by software. Here's how to do it if you haven't tried it yet. Create a backup of your personal data and remove your Google account. Open Settings app. Scroll to and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset from the given options. Read the information, then tap Reset to continue. Tap Delete All to confirm action. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.